Welcome to our Abacus Learning Academy. Today, we'll explore how our program enhances children's math skills and cognitive abilities through the use of the abacus. Learning the abacus offers a multitude of benefits. It enhances math skills, concentration, and memory. Through the use of the abacus, children develop a deeper understanding of numbers and arithmetic operations, leading to improved overall math proficiency. Our academy takes pride in our experienced instructors. They are dedicated to providing personalized attention to each student, ensuring that they receive the support and guidance needed to excel in abacus learning. At our academy, we've created an engaging learning environment that is both interactive and enjoyable for students. Through various activities and interactive sessions, children are motivated to explore the world of numbers and arithmetic in a fun and stimulating way. Thank you for joining us today to learn about our Abacus Learning Academy. We hope to see you soon as we continue to inspire young minds and nurture their mathematical abilities.